Alexa, make a
Show them how you do it, Emu Bug. Don't tear now. You wash each individual grape leaf and straighten it out. You put them either vein up or vein down. Wash the sink before you ever begin.
I took that picture.
Then you line the bottom of the pot with the broken ones.
Can I give you another pot?
Around the side, and then we'll roll these. We'll stack them in there. Bree, there's not enough there, baby.
I can't start rolling.
Not yet. Okay, that's pork.
That needs more rice.
Rice. You put too much rice in them, baby, they bust. We use Uncle Ben's original and just ground pork, non-seasoned pork, and put real lemon juice. How much lemon juice you think we put in there, Mama?
I've already put in on
I mean, how much? So,
One-third.
probably half a cup, maybe. That's 2 pounds of pork, and
Dad.
probably 2 handfuls of rice, and then probably half a cup of lemon juice, if I had to guess. Salt and pepper, and you mix it all up by hand. And then we'll take and lay out the leaves. Take a pinch of this, put it in the middle of the leaf, and roll it up. I'll do another video of that. That's how we do grape leaves in the house here. Please like and subscribe.